about to sneak up on Mitchell and give him a little bit of a taste of what boot camp might be like from our point of view, okay? Just to get him ready. Let's see if he's ready. Come on, come with me. Okay, get ready for some screaming and yelling. Ready? Stay here.
Get your ass up! Get up! Get up! Get up! Get up right now! Get up! Get up! You lazy ass recruit! Upstairs! Right now! Move it! You ain't even going fast enough! Go! 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 Get your ass upstairs! Move! Move! Get it! Go! I'm not even playing with you! You think I'm playing? Get your ass upstairs! Go! 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 Come on! You want a taste of boot camp? Let's go! Pick up this mess! Come on! Get over here! Pick this up! Is that dirty clothes? Does it go on the floor? Get it outside! Go! 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 Move it! Move it! You dropped it! Pick it up! Pick that dirty clothes up! Go! Go! You're not moving fast enough! Go! Throw it outside! Throw it outside! Go! Back! Back! You think I'm fucking kidding around? Let's go! Move! Move! You are not hustling! Let's go! Let's go! Move it!